South Korea has selected Hanwha Aerospace's Arion-SMET as the Republic of Korea Army's first multi-purpose unmanned ground vehicle, marking a major step in the country's effort to modernize its land forces. The decision was announced by the Defense Acquisition Program Administration on July 16, 2026, after the Arion-SMET was chosen over Hyundai Rotem's HR Sherpa. The first contract is worth about $33.5 million and covers several dozen vehicles that are expected to enter service between 2027 and 2028. South Korea plans to expand the program over time, with total procurement expected to reach around $340 million. The Arion-SMET is designed to reduce the workload of frontline soldiers by taking over dangerous support missions. Its main roles include carrying supplies, transporting ammunition, evacuating wounded troops, and conducting reconnaissance. By using robotic vehicles for these tasks, the Army can reduce the number of soldiers exposed to enemy fire. The new vehicle is also part of South Korea's Army Tiger IV modernization program, which aims to build a digitally connected battlefield where unmanned systems work alongside manned combat vehicles. Built on a 6x6 all-electric platform, the Arion-SMET weighs about 2 tons and can carry up to 450 kilograms of cargo. It reaches speeds of 43 km/h on roads and 22 km/h off-road, while its battery provides a range of up to 100 kilometers on a single charge. The electric drive offers several operational advantages. It produces less engine noise and a lower heat signature than traditional diesel-powered vehicles, making the robot more difficult to detect during reconnaissance and resupply missions. However, like any electric platform, it still requires reliable charging or battery replacement to maintain operations during extended deployments. Navigation is supported by GPS, cameras, and LiDAR sensors, allowing the vehicle to operate in several modes. It can be remotely controlled by an operator, follow soldiers automatically, drive along programmed routes, or navigate difficult terrain with limited human input. For combat support, the Arion-SMET can be equipped with a remote-controlled weapon station armed with either 5.56 or 7.62 machine guns. The system also includes day and night cameras, automatic target tracking, and an acoustic gunshot detection system that helps operators quickly locate enemy fire. Even with these advanced features, a human operator must always approve the use of force. More than 98% of the vehicle's components are produced in South Korea, reducing reliance on foreign suppliers while strengthening the country's domestic defense industry. The Arion-SMET has undergone nearly a decade of development and testing. In 2022, it became the first South Korean unmanned ground vehicle selected for the U.S. Department of Defense's Foreign Comparative Testing Program. U.S. Marines later evaluated the vehicle in Hawaii under a variety of terrain conditions, including sand, rough roads, and off-road environments. With its first production contract now awarded, the Arion-SMET is moving from the testing phase into operational service. The program reflects South Korea's growing investment in unmanned ground systems as the Army prepares for future battlefields where robots and soldiers are expected to operate together as part of a connected combat force.